Hello everybody, my name is Bill, this is the channel Rust to Resurrection, and this is my 1946 Willys CJ2A. Now if you've been following the channel over the winter, then you know that I've had some projects that I've been working on this Jeep. Well, this video today officially ends all the projects that I had planned for this Jeep for the wintertime. So spring is sprunging and the sun's starting to come out. Most of the snow has melted and we're getting ready to take this out of the garage, get it off the skates, get it out and start using it outside. I need to wrap up the project so we can do that, so we can get it off the skates, so we can get it outside. So today's video, I'm going to clean up the inside of the tub. It got pretty sandy and grubby doing all these projects that we worked on. So I'm going to clean up the inside of the tub. Then I'm going to install the seats. And then I'll take you for a tour around and I'll kind of give you a 360 of what this thing looks like with all the work that we did this winter.
Daylight is calling, welcome up dawn.
Let's wash the windows first. Up here. I'll control the front. You gotta tilt it way up. Seatbelts are in the way. Okay, so this one, is that resting on anything? It's not. Okay, so but it is resting there against that. I'm sure like that.
There's anything to do about that?
No, probably not. I mean, I could put some rubber back there. May put a piece of rubber back there. The only reason is if those screws get all ground up, I won't be able to ever get it off, which I don't plan to. But I think the big thing is going to be, so if you were to sit in this, yeah, I'm going to have to get a dowel for in there.
So it's tilted off.
You feel how it tilts? When you lean to the left. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, so we'll have to get
This is really tough.
a dowel. Better?
want a seatbelt.
But they're good, if you gotta have one. All right, so let's go ahead and get the other one in. So this one we're gonna have to do in reverse of taking it out. Because I don't know what happened to that screw that was under there. When it was, that screw that was here, it fell in, so I have to go and find that. Let me find that screw.
Can go underneath?
I don't know where it was.
Can go underneath of it? No?
Yeah, I think it's down in the tunnel.
Okay. Yeah, wait.
Okay.
Right there.
I'm going to put pressure on it, and you see if you can get that washer and that nut on there.
Okay.
Just see if you can get it started. It may not be enough thread. All right. So we got this one started. Now we got to put this one in. Yeah, you're going to have to figure out how to get over here. But again, you probably ought to come outside here to do this one. I'm going to let you have the, I'm going to take that with me. And you're going to take, let me get down here. And you're going to take one of these, probably half inch. So you're going to just hold it here.
Okay.
And I'm going to go underneath and tighten it up. So this, I think, is right where it's going to live. I don't think there's a choice. Okay. You hold it, and I'm going to tighten it up.
What am I doing?
You're going to go to the other nut that you just did.
Okay.
And we're going to try to tighten it the rest of the way. Go ahead. When you think it's tight, just stop.
I think it's tight.
Okay. So after reconfiguring all of this and doing whatever we did, this now is too thick. So Lynn is going to put 3 washers in, which is about half that thickness. Yep. And then we're going to bolt it up using those washers. Absolutely as tight as you can get it.
That's about it.
The trees, they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, the welcome of the dawn. The voice of the robin, the call of the dove, the red leaves are falling, the barn owl is calling, the welcome of the dawn. The dogs will be howling in the early morning light. All are happy to be out in the ending of the night, the welcome of the dawn. Daylight is calling, welcome of the dawn.
2 months?
No.
Month?
Yes.
Month and a half?
Yes.
Month and a half. So We have finished all the projects we had planned, or I had planned, for the 46 CJ2A for this winter. And they came out marvelous. So let's do a quick recap so you can go back and look if you want. We built a toolbox. I mounted a shovel to the front of the toolbox. We did the cushions on the back of the Jeep. That was our first attempt at upholstering.
Yep.
So we started there because we thought it would be easier. So we got that done, and they came out really pretty nice. We see some things that we would have done better, but that's the way things are when you're learning to do things. So, but they came out nice, and they're comfortable to sit on. So, if ever there's
And they stay together.
and they stay together. So if ever there's a passenger, they'll be up here in the wind because they're above the windshield. Then we upholstered the two main seats. Again, steep learning curve, but we built from that on what we had learned doing the cushions. So we had to do some things we hadn't done, but at the same time, the skills we learned from doing these were transferable to the front seats. Those came out really nice. We chose the brown leather-ish, pleather, fake leather, dinosaur oil. And we did that, or I did that, because brown and green are a natural mix, so that color combination is really stunning. I put in a new fuel gauge. I've had that fuel gauge since I bought the Jeep, and it's been a pain in the butt driving around because you never know how much fuel you've got, and more than a couple times I've come really close to running out. So it's going to be nice having that fuel gauge working. That was a trick. You will have seen that video by the time you see this video. That was a trick. We cleaned this thing, the inside. We made it shine in ways it hasn't shined since we've owned it. So we're done. We're done for projects on this Jeep for now. We're going to go back onto the CJ5, working on that engine. I'm going to start doing the restoration on the rest of the Jeep. This coming summer, I want to pull the body back off and start doing some improvements to the running chassis. So stay tuned for that. We're going to take some rides. I know
I'm excited.
we're going to take some rides, and we're going to try to drive both the MB and the CJ together.
I get my choice.
Yeah, I think you're going to want to drive this one.
Okay.
I'll let you drive the other one, and you can see how you like it. You can choose. I don't care. Anyway, I'm going to start working on some of the other cars too. I know most of you, or a lot of you, come here just for the Jeep content, but I got some other cars I got to do some work on too, and that's part of my retirement. I wanted to work on my cars, so you guys can join the journey. And if you're a Jeep only, when I post the car stuff, you don't have to click. I wish you would, but fun project. This was an exciting thing. I'm happy with all of this. I've hated these seats since I bought the Jeep. We fixed it. They're beautiful. Will they hold up? We hope so. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We really hope you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Again, we are trying to grow this channel. It grows nicely, but I'd love to see it grow faster. And I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.